2013 Dodge Grand Caravan with a 3.6 liter, I think. If you want to replace the starter, I'm going to walk you through it. First thing you need to do is jack the whole car up. One side here, one side here. That's if you don't have a lift. Then put something to hold it on the side of the transmission right here and on this side, because you need to lift it up a little bit so you can get the engine mount. Then you have a long support bar right here, which I already have it out, so it looks like this. So it's got one bolt, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, it sits inside right here. But before you take it out, make sure you take out this bolt right here first, which sits right there with the bracket right here. So you'll have a bracket sitting right here like that. So once you take this bracket off, this bracket will have 1, 2, 3, and the engine mount sits right here with that long bolt right here. Get a better video. So it sits like this. So let's say it's still in the car. First thing you need to do is remove that bolt. Second thing you need to do is remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the big bolt right here, 5. And the engine mount can stay, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it because this one's bad. I got a new one right here. It's got 2 bolts. So once you lower that metal piece down, then the fun begins. Voila, there's your, let's see if I can zoom in. There is your starter. Right there. Bam. To take it out, you'll have 1 and 2 bolts. You don't really have room to remove the wires. So what I would suggest is to take this bolt off, take that off, kind of slide it in here, and then pull it out. Then you can remove the wires. So that is it. Put everything back and start the car. Not the best place to put a starter, but it's not too bad of a job. So that's how you do it.